Want to become a successful solution architect but don't know what to do and how? Take a look at this course called Master in Solution Architecture, in which you not only learn about the solution architecture and the role of solution architect, but also how to design and oversee the implementation of complex solutions to address specific business problems. And in this course, you will learn about right from understanding business requirements to system design to technology selection, risk assessments, prototyping, considering scalability and performance, security consideration, finally integrating the various components and analyzing the cost versus performance. And we have also covered a roadmap to become a successful solution architect. Attend video sessions to clear your doubts on this topic anytime. Get Udemy's 30 days money back guarantee and preview for yourself many lectures for free covering each section. And if you like the content, then only enroll for the course, enjoy, and become a solution architect.